We're really delighted with the progress that the business has made over the last 6 months, and particularly pleased that momentum has started to build throughout the period. We are up 53% year on year across the period, but Q2 was up 84%. And then post-period, we have been up well over 100% year on year. So sales really have started to accelerate as the period progressed and then post-period. So we're very pleased with how autumn-winter has started. We have had record months in September, then again in October, and November is on track to also be a record month. And we've also hit our first £1 million of net revenue in October, which was a brilliant milestone for the business.
The growth that we've achieved over the period has been underpinned by our ability to recruit and retain customers, and we can see that in our active customer base, which has grown by 70%. There's oversubscribed 7 million placing has also put us in a position of financial strength, and that's really allowed us to capitalise on the increase in brand engagement. We can see that in our customer database, which has grown by 76%, and equally in the subscribers that we've achieved post-period end, which is up over 300% on the same period last year. It's also really pleasing to note that the growth has been achieved with a really healthy margin at 54%.
We've made huge strides forward in the period towards achieving our vision, which is to be a one-stop shop for the woman who's graduated from fast fashion and wants quality, trend-led, affordable clothes to suit her lifestyle. Product is absolutely key to the business. It underpins absolutely everything that we do. And this is an area that we've made very significant developments over the period. So at the beginning of H1, we invested in the product team, and that has enabled us to expand the product range substantially, particularly from September onwards, both into existing and into new categories. We've also expanded our supply base to support that product expansion, and also made investment into new marketing channels to support the existing channels that we already know are tried and tested. There have been 2 key areas of investment in H1. The first has been product, the second has been marketing. With product, we've expanded the product range substantially. We've now got over 1,000 SKUs on site, which is 113% up year on year. This has come from expansion, not just from our core areas, such as dresses, leather and party wear, but also from expanding into new areas, such as denim and accessories. The second area that we've invested in is marketing. We've seen such fantastic repeat rates from our customers. We know that when we acquire a customer, they come back to Sosandar time and time again because they love our product so much. So we've invested further in acquiring more customers as we've headed into the autumn period. So to support our existing areas of marketing, which are social, PR and direct mail, we have started to invest in TV and also outdoor media. We've seen such fantastic results from these areas that we took the strategic decision to invest further because the results were so strong, and we know that if we acquire those customers up front, they will repeat in the months to come. Very exciting that over the last 6 months, we have won a number of awards. 2 of those are from Drapers, the fashion industry Bible. We won Best New Online Retailer and Best Digital Team. We've also most recently been nominated as Emerging Retailer by Retail Week. Not only is this incredibly motivating for staff, because obviously it's very exciting to win awards, but it's also very beneficial for the business because it raises awareness of Sosandar, both when we're recruiting staff and also when we are talking to suppliers across the world, because awareness of Sosandar is really growing through winning these awards and getting industry recognition.
So the business is on a really interesting data journey. If we think back to inception, the business started with absolutely no data, and so all decisions were driven by instinct and experience. Increasingly, we adopt test and repeat throughout the business across all areas. In product, we use test and repeat to order small minimum order quantities and then put successful product into repeat quickly to maximise on those successful lines. In marketing, we use test and repeat to deploy small amounts of budget into new channel areas, and then we redeploy the funds into those which show the greatest return over time. This increase in data all feeds into building a real core of successful products and also increasing our customer database. Over time, they continually feed into our data and enhance the learning and decision making within the business. The increase in data in the business is combined with creativity and content to make sure that we consistently deliver the best possible customer journey.
We started this business to cater for a market of women who had been really underserved. And since we started Sosandar, those women have absolutely flocked to us, which gives us confidence that as the product range expands even further going forward, more and more women will come to us to cater for all their wardrobe needs.
There's a number of things that make us really excited about the future of Sosandar. The increasing customer database that we've seen provides us with a much bigger pool of customers and prospects to leverage going into the future. We have a much more diversified marketing mix, which means we have many more channels in which to activate new customers, and increasingly we've got a really strong ability to retain those customers and generate future order revenue, so we're super excited and have a really bright future ahead.
With the momentum that we've seen and the record trading in the autumn, we are very positive about meeting our expectations for the year, and we're also incredibly positive about the future of Sosandar going forward.